In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch multiple games simultaneously on ESPN Plus, so you can keep up with all the action. Let's get started. To watch multiple games at once, start by subscribing to ESPN Plus through the app or website. Download the ESPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, and log into your account. If required, activate the app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your screen. Once logged in, navigate to the Live Sports section. ESPN Plus allows you to stream multiple events simultaneously by opening different devices or using a split-screen feature if your device supports it. For example, use a tablet for one game and a smartphone for another, or cast one game to your TV while streaming another on your phone. Ensure a stable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. Alternatively, download eligible content for offline viewing if you want to watch games later. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy watching multiple games on ESPN Plus.